Hey guys, today I'm in beautiful Roatan, Honduras, and I decided to bring you along with me to show you a snapshot of my day, including all the delicious vegan food I'm going to be eating today. Now let's get into it. We started off our day at a place called Bean Crazy, and we were staying in West End in Roatan, so all these restaurants are basically along the main strip of West End. Bean Crazy had delicious coffee. It's a coffee shop, but it also has great breakfast, and you just can't beat the views. Basically, the best part about this restaurant is just getting to be right on the beach and seeing those ocean views. I ordered this hummus and avocado sandwich. They were out of avocado on the day that I ordered it, but usually it comes with avocado, and I also got these delicious breakfast potatoes. I absolutely love their breakfast potatoes because they're super crispy, just the way I like them. Overall, I really enjoyed this hummus sandwich. It was super delicious. Hey guys, so we are about to go on a little adventure on a boat to take us around to different areas where we can go snorkeling, and I wanted to take you along. Let's go! So we just got back from snorkeling and we're definitely hungry, so I'm gonna make us a snack with some stuff I picked up at the local market. So I picked up this everything bagel seasoning at home and brought it with me. That makes things super easy to season when you're on the go traveling. I picked up some bagels, some fresh tomato, cucumber, and an avocado from the local market. So I'm just going to be making an avocado bagel sandwich. After eating those delicious avocado bagels, we just had to get back in the water, and it was such a beautiful day. For dinner, we went to a restaurant called Splash Inn. We mainly went there for the view. It was amazing to watch the sunset, but unfortunately the pasta I ordered was not as good as it looks. The looks were a little bit deceiving. It was a little bit too sweet for my taste, which I thought was unusual, but at least we got to enjoy the beautiful sunset. As a little bonus, we had a much better dinner the next day at a restaurant called Roatan Oasis. It's definitely worth a visit. They have amazing vegan options. I started out with this roast carrot soup that was super creamy, and I got to dip a fresh baguette into it. Their menu changes depending on what's available or in season. For the main course, I got this crispy Kung Pao cauliflower. It was perfectly crisp and the sauce was so tangy and flavorful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. If you haven't, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any new vegan videos, and I can't wait to see you next time.